Are you ready to unlock the secrets of investing and pave your way to wealth? You've come to the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll show you how to get rich in 2023 through smart investing. So grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. First, let's address the most crucial investment avenue, mutual funds. These funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. This diversification reduces risk, making them ideal for beginners. By choosing a reputable mutual fund with a proven track record, you can start your journey towards financial success. Now, let's talk about the stock market. Investing in individual stocks can be rewarding, but it also carries more risk. Before jumping in, ensure you understand the company's finances, growth prospects, and industry trends. Diversify your stock portfolio by investing in multiple sectors, giving yourself a buffer against market volatility. Remember, investing is a long-term game, so keep your expectations realistic. Don't expect overnight success, instead, focus on steady growth over time. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio to stay ahead of market trends and maximize your returns. As a beginner, it's crucial to seek advice from experienced professionals or educational resources. Attend financial workshops, read books, and follow reputable investment websites. Education is the key to making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Lastly, don't forget the power of patience. Wealth accumulation doesn't happen overnight. Stay disciplined, avoid emotional decisions, and stick to your investment plan. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive guide to kickstart your investment journey towards a prosperous future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and advice on personal finance and investing. Thanks for watching.